how to see your comment history on TikTok. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to see your comment history as well as how to delete previous comments. Now, the very first thing we need to do is just go and load up the TikTok application, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side, and then click on the settings bar in the top right. You can then select Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Activity Center and click on this. Click on Comment History, and here you'll be able to find a list of all of the comments you've made on TikTok. So next to each of the comments, you'll see a date of exactly when this comment was made. You'll also see a thumbnail to the right hand side of the comment, and this will show you what video the comment was made on. Now, if you find a comment that you want to go and delete, you can simply click on that comment, and that will take you over to the video page. And from here, you can obviously see exactly this comment that we made. Now, to go and delete this, just hold down your finger on the comment, and then you'll get this menu pop up and you can press delete. And just like that, we can go and delete this comment from our TikTok history. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.